Hello all, join me on this afternoon walk. My first sighting was the white-throated sparrow. A group of them were foraging in the fallen leaves. The starlings can be heard calling out in the nearby trees. Watch here as they jump back and forth, stirring up the leaves, looking for food beneath. I continued my walk and took a moment to enjoy the wind blowing the autumn leaves. Next, I came across a blue jay enjoying an acorn. And a dark-eyed junco foraging in the grasses. Around the corner, I noticed a large group of turkeys enjoying the setting sun. This was a group of turkeys that was born earlier this year, and I had been watching them grow from little chicks. All of a sudden, a few fights broke out, and I quickly switched over to the slow motion filming. As quickly as the fights broke out, they stopped, and all was well again for the turkeys. I enjoyed watching them eating in the grasses in the glow of the setting sun. I finished off my walk taking pictures of the fall leaves and enjoying all the different colors. Thanks for coming along with me on this hike, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.